Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to Banking Help SA. This is how to transfer money from PayPal to Absa Bank. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, it is important to know that in South Africa, PayPal withdrawals are processed through FNB PayPal services. Even if you bank with Absa, the transfer must go through FNB first. You do not need to have an FNB bank account to use this service. Let's start with the computer method. Open your web browser and go to the official FNB website. Before signing in, you will need to register for online banking. Select the option to register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. On the next screen, choose whether the PayPal account is for you or for your business. Then select the option that says, I do not bank with FNB. After that, follow the prompts and fill in all your information to create your account. Once your account has been created, sign into your FNB online banking profile. After signing in, select Forex. From there, choose PayPal services. Next, select PayPal withdrawal. If your PayPal account is not linked yet, follow the prompts to sign into your PayPal and authorize the connection. Once your PayPal account has been linked, select Withdraw. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose your Absa bank account as the payout account and confirm the withdrawal. Now let's look at the mobile app method. Open the FNB app and sign into your account. From the home screen, scroll until you see Forex and then select it. Next, choose PayPal. Then select PayPal Withdrawal. Enter the amount, choose your Absa bank account and confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, the funds will be processed and paid into your Absa bank account within the standard processing time. And that is it. That is how to transfer money from PayPal to your Absa bank. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.